Welcome back. So today is nursing content because we are going for rural posting at Degema, and so I'm on my way now headed to school so that after we do a little bit of, when I say clearance, submit our name and all, we load the bus and then we'll be on our way to Degema. So we are about to go. We are about to go the bus and go. So yeah, everybody's here. And so yeah, the bus is coming and then we'll leave.
No, I cannot.
He can say hi. He
can say hi.
Is this hi for you? Okay, guys. So we just went for a little tour around Obuama town, close to Degema, and oh my god, Harriston. So this is the river. Wow, it's huge, like
it's a huge place.
Oh my god. This is so fun. Sometimes that the water moves back and then comes back again.
This is the kind of boat they used to go and bring this all this. Oh. Then those things you saw that you said is crab, those tiny it's not crab.
It's what?
It's kenge.
Man. So guys, if you look down, you can see a speedboat down. Oh my god! Jeez! Like... Guys, so see the river again. The river has gone back. This is another day. So we just came to look at how the river is, but that's shifted back. Now I was telling you guys before that morning it comes up more, and then towards the afternoon it goes back, towards the evening it goes back. I don't know how it works, but yeah, see the way it is now. And
so many periwinkles.
Yes.
You see people picking their periwinkles.
Yeah, you can see people picking periwinkles right over there, and another person here. And also they're also setting traps for crab and all. Wow, it's just so beautiful. This is God's hard work, like. You guys, my first rep.
Once again.
Yeah.
Second time appearing on your vlog, right?
Yes, second time. Yeah. Jonah.
Bros, I beg no video me, please. I'm making
I thought you were saying back. Why are you doing? I thought you were saying back.
Sandra, yeah. We are on our way to Isioko Health Center today. Last week we went to Obuama. Stop making that my video. We went to Obuama last week, so this week we are going to Isioko, and yeah, I'm going with my Jonah.
Jonah. Yes, sir. Yeah. This is your one and only not intensivist. Emmanuel Solomon.
So yeah, we are on our way, and yeah, see the environment. Okay, let's go. Guys, we are going for home visits, and everyone look at that. That's why I'm laughing. So
For the home visit, am I not going for
yes, everyone is going for home visits. So yeah, what I mean by home visits is that we are going to go and treat patients in their home and how they are faring and all.
disturb their peace?
Yeah, so let's go. Yeah, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah. Let's go. I'll tell you guys how it went and wherever we got or land or anything. So follow me. We are at the house of the patient and we want to go inside and get a family history and other stuff that we'll need to treat the patients, and then we'll come up with a diagnosis and other stuff we have to do. So I cannot go in with my phone because I have to maintain patient's privacy. So yeah. Oh God, so see my classmates. Let's start from the beginning. Chioma, Rachel, Joy, you know, even though he then
My sis no show where.
Rosalie.
Yes, Rosalie. This is Tega.
Yeah, this is Tega Coswell.
Oh,
Then Jessica, Shirindu, Sandra, my love, and Ruth. Yeah, so I showed you now. Normally, I showed you. Yeah, we are back. You guys say hi. We are back, and yeah, we are done for home visiting for today, so we are coming back. So yeah, Rosalie. Yeah, today was stress. All this hot sun, the sun is hot. Just can you flexing with umbrella? So yeah. Okay, guys. So the time is currently what? Past 5. 5:08, guys, and we are on our way back to Port Harcourt just for the weekend. We'll come back again for next week. Yeah, so I'm with my friends. You guys say hi. Hi. So yeah, we are going. Today has been a lot, actually. It has been a whole lot. So we are going back, guys. I need to tell you guys, the people in this community are so lovely. Like, to strangers, they're just the absolute best. Seriously, guys. I not expect it. I not really expect this kind of much acceptance from other people like that. Honestly, I not really expect it, but they're actually nice. And plus the river that I saw, guys, it was just so awesome. So next week we'll go back to continue our clinical practice. Let's just go back for the weekend. Okay, guys. So we are on our way to Degema this morning. It's a beautiful Monday morning, and we are going to be doing rally this morning. It's basically like awareness, giving the whole community awareness of the outreach that we're going to be doing tomorrow. So guys, come with me, and I hope it will not be that stressful because this morning I'm not really feeling it that much. So they will do this for you. So guys, we are in Degema right now, and we are on our way to the hostel. Risha, say hi. Hi. So yeah, we are going to go and have a meeting first. After the meeting, we'll organize what we need to organize, and then we head over for the rally. So let's go.
And we will give free medical outreach, free health outreach to everybody tomorrow for Ogururu compound, close to Apostolic Church, by 9 a.m. If you know say you value your health, by 9 a.m. you don't need there.
Sorry that I'm sweating. Today is outreach day, and we have started. We are already organized. So let me show you my station and every other person's station. The patients, they are outside. If you can see. They are outside here, and this is the first station. First station. Okay, let's go to the station. What is your station? What is registration? Registration. Yeah, this is first station registration. Then I'll show you the next station where I'll be doing vital signs. It's me that is going to be here. I'll be doing vital signs and then the next station is BMI, that is body mass index, where Marvelous here is our nurse in charge, and she'll be attending to patients here. She's sitting here and the patient will sit there here. Then we have the beautiful Rosalie. Rosalie, say hi. So she's in charge of blood sugar tests. So she'll be doing the test and recording, and then move over to the next station, which is the pharmacy session, where Ruth, say hi, will be in charge of the giving of drugs and everything. Then the final station, which is consultation, and our man in charge, Jonah will be in charge of consultation. Jonah, say hi. Okay, so guys, that is it. The patients are for instance.
As you get old, most of your organs in your body, they know the one that they work before. This one they call them pancreas. Now one organ with our body, where they secrete something they call insulin. Insulin and they regulate and they balance sugar for our body.
So guys, that is it.
How your body? I'm fine. It's my sickness.
Everything is okay. Just submitted for it to be done.
Ils ont mis la face en pompe. C'est tout ce qu'on a besoin.
What was the experience? Yeah.
Long story short, I mostly attended to the kids, to the children, and from my observation and from what I saw in them, they're looking very, very healthy.
Okay.
Just normal mind illnesses like headache.
Okay.
But even the headache itself is not something that their temperature is within normal. It's like 36 degrees Celsius. And they seem to be very healthy in terms of their diet. Their physical appearances. They are okay for their weight. Their age and their weight are in alignment. There's no case of obesity or malnourishment.
Okay.
And which is a very good attribute for children. There's no sign of jaundice or any of all these prevalent kids.
No skin rash, no.
I had a case of skin rash, but it was mostly because of heat.
Okay.
Rash.
Yeah.
So I advise the mother that she should use this powder for it.
Okay. We are done for today. We are done with the outreach, and this officially brings us to the end of our Degema posting. It was really a blast, and see everybody, the patient they have gone, and yeah, only Mr. Jonah that is still over there talking to a patient, and yeah, basically we are done for the whole Degema posting. So today we are going to go back to Port Harcourt today. So back to Port Harcourt.